Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try this product out. So this is not exactly a new first impressions product to me because I've tried this product out in a different shade and I love it so much that it's literally a product I use every single day. So it's from the brand Thrive Cause, spelled C-A-U-S-E. Causemetics, and I love this brand because it is so charitable and you can feel really good about purchasing from this brand because they have this whole policy where when you buy one product, another product is donated. And what I have here is I always have to look at the name on my phone because I cannot read the font of this. It's the Lip Filler Long Wearing Plumping Lip Liner. So I got this in the shade Devin in Ipsy this month because I redeemed Ipsy points for it, and I was so excited to see this as an option because I use the Thrive Causemetics Lip Filler Lip Liner in the shade Gislin every day as my lip liner, and I absolutely love it. It's a great shade for me to be a very natural, like nude lip color for me, but I love the formula. It lasts really well. If I'm eating, drinking throughout the day, which of course I would be every single day, it does fade from my lips, but in such a natural way. It never smudges, so when it fades, it doesn't ruin your makeup look, and it's been lasting me for so long. And I usually wear it with a lip gloss lately. I don't usually fill my lips in with it, but sometimes I do, and it's awesome. It's not too drying. What's really cool about this lip liner and what makes it different is it has that lip plumping kind of aspect. It says it acts as a built-in lip primer to treat, smooth, and plump. And I have very naturally dry lips. Seems like no matter what I do, my lips are dry, and some lip liners I cannot wear all over my lips because they're just way too dry and uncomfortable, but this one I can absolutely wear all over my lips. So let's get into this shade here. I love that it twists up and there's a built-in sharpener on the bottom. I will say the one that I use every day, I've never used the sharpener. Sometimes sharpeners, especially on like a creamy product like this, can just break the product and I don't want to risk ruining any of it. So the lip liner that I'm using every day is just flattened, but if you do want to sharpen it, I love when there is a built-in sharpener at the bottom. I'm so excited to try this shade out. I'm going to start out with a swatch. Ooh, very pretty. I did a really light hand, and it's a light burgundy berry shade. So pretty. Goes really well with my outfit, if you could see it. Like all these purple tones in my scarf and a purple dress. But then if I press a little harder, yeah, it gets darker. Here are what those swatches look like. So creamy, pigmented. All right, I'm going to start out by just lining my lips. And they actually have a really good amount of shades and a range of different shades available on the Thrive Causemetics website in this. Oh, and I didn't mention, this has a retail value of $20. All right, so lips are lined. It's very easy to do, great precise edges, exactly what you want your lip liner to do. Especially with a lip shade like this, I feel like I would need a lip liner. Honestly, I'm at the point where I'm so used to wearing a lip liner that I feel like I need a lip liner with any lip color that I wear, but especially a darker, more noticeable, bold lip color like this one. I want my lip shape to be perfect because it's so much more obvious if there's any smudging, unevenness on the edges when it's a bold lip like this. And now I'm going to go ahead and fill in my lips with this. So what I am noticing with this, and it's very slight, I actually have to look kind of up close to notice it, but since it is that darker berry shade, it's kind of clinging to the chapped areas on my lips and just looking a little bit darker there. That can definitely happen with darker lip colors like this, but it's very slight, like not super noticeable. Overall, my lips are definitely looking smoother. It has a matte finish, but it really somehow, it's like magic, like does kind of plump the lips and make it so that I have less lines, less dryness in my lips, which kind of feels like magic considering how it doesn't have like any glossiness, and it's a matte formula that feels so lightweight on the lips, but it really does improve how my lips look. And then let's see if there's any transfer. Yeah, like there's a little hint of an outline of transfer, but amazing. For such a dark shade, no transfer. And then, what do we think of this color? It's definitely not a color that I will wear very often, but I don't feel like it's bad. I feel like it works on my coloring, but I also feel like it would work on a whole range of skin tones, a nice universal shade. So I just love the Thrive Causemetics lip liner. I just think it's so unique, such a beautiful formula. I'm so glad to have it in this shade, but I would love to be able to get it in another shade that I'm probably going to wear more often, especially a dark berry shade like this. If I do wear it, it's definitely more in the fall and the winter, and we're just coming up to summer soon-ish, not really, and so I'm probably not going to get much use out of this, at least not for a while. But let me know in the comments down below if you've tried out the Thrive Causemetics lip liner and what your thoughts are on it, and if you have any favorite shades that you would recommend to me. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.